Want to start using Telegram on your computer? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install Telegram on your Windows PC or laptop so you can begin chatting in just a few minutes. The first thing you need to do is open a web browser on your computer. Once it's open, go to google.com and type in Telegram, then press enter. From the results, look for the official Telegram Messenger website and click on it. I'll also leave the direct link in the description to make things easier for you. Once you're on the Telegram site, it will look something like this. At the top of the page, click on the Apps section. Now, scroll to the Desktop Apps area where you'll see options for Windows, Mac and Linux. Since we're installing it on Windows, click on Get Telegram for Windows. This will immediately start downloading the installer file onto your computer. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. After it finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder and locate the file. Double-click on it to start the installation process. A setup window will appear. Here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Select your preferred language. Choose where you want Telegram installed on your computer. Most people just leave the default. Then click Next and let the installer run. Once the installation is complete, Telegram will be ready to use. You can open it from your desktop or Start menu. To log in, either scan the QR code with your mobile Telegram app or enter the phone number linked to your Telegram account. You now have Telegram installed on your Windows computer. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials.